USB connector. In this video, we will show you how to solder a USB connector onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the component from the packaging. Identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB markings to help. Match the component to the shape marked on the PCB. With this component, you should not bend the legs. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder the two larger legs. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. This should hold the component in place. Turn the board over and check that it is still flat. It is difficult to reposition the component once all the legs are soldered, so it is good practice to check. Solder the rest of the legs to the solder pads in turn. Because the legs are close to each other, make sure to not create a short circuit while soldering, and that each joint is separated from another. You can use a magnifying glass to check if you are unsure.